Hi everyone, Sarah here. I'm excited to share something new with you on my channel today. This is new to me. This is my first mystery diamond painting. I know it's not new to you. I'm sure you've seen these pop up on other people's channels or on Facebook. I have been part of the Facebook group Just Diamond Painting Now, which is, it was created by Yo-Yo Diamond Craft. And if you watched my recent video of finished diamond paintings, the Special Drill Santa was one of my first purchases from Yo-Yo Diamond Painting. They have changed their name to Cateared Diamond Painting, and they have their own website, the Facebook group, which I totally recommend you join the Facebook group. Julie runs the group and she does have giveaways sometimes, so if you share your mystery diamond painting, or sometimes she'll ask you to share a diamond painting that you're working on, just stuff like that, and you can enter into draws to win free diamond paintings. So check it out. She was looking for some promoters of their product. I can't think what I was trying to say. And I reached out to her because I have purchased from them before and I had no problems with the product that I purchased, and I did want to check out the mystery diamond paintings. So here we are. It got shipped super fast, came through Amazon. I believe it was shipped Prime, which I don't have a Prime, but it was shipped out to me through Amazon Prime. I will have the link to this down below for you also. It is to amazon.ca because I am in Canada. I believe it's $35. This is the mystery diamond painting and resin pen. So excited. So let's open it up. It did come in a bigger box. I did already take it out of the box, but I did show it like just the regular Amazon box with the air pouches around it. So it is in perfect condition. It has their little cat on the, it says scan me. So they'll have a scanning code, but because it's a mystery diamond painting, it doesn't have a scan code. Open it up. All right, and it is a nice thick cardboard box. So here's our tray, just a regular white tray with a spout. I did get a blue swirl acrylic pen. It comes with a single placer and the 3-placer. They are random pens that you receive when you purchase these ones. So this one's cute though, love it. And then here's the canvas. Super excited. I have not done a mystery diamond painting. I do have another one coming, and this is the first time for me receiving a macaroon. Yay! Open her up here. There we go, with a giant circle of wax. That's bigger than the regular circle size that you get. That is awesome. That is going to be my new wax container. The drills come all bagged up and ready to go. This one looks like we have some nice fall colors. And then you do get an inventory sheet. Of course, everything is black and white because it's a mystery diamond painting. So you don't know what it's going to be when it's done. Looks like there's 30 colors in this one. I'm just looking real quick at the symbols. It's all letters, upper and lowercase letters. This one is a square drill. And the size is also, I believe, is random when you receive it, depending on their website. You can choose different difficulties. On Amazon, I don't believe you do. I think it's just the square around. So this is just shy of 30 by 30, and that is the drill area. So the actual canvas is 35. Oops. Press the button there. 35 by 35, and drill area is 30 by 30. I don't know, can you see what it is? This is cool. Has a legend on both sides. The canvas is labeled with their name. Also has their Facebook, Cateared, and Instagram, Cateared Official. I will put all those links down below for you too. And again, there's the legend. We have capital B, capital K, lowercase a, Q, upper A. It's pretty much, it looks pretty good. There's a capital W and an uppercase M. So you just have to watch if you're flipping, but honestly, the M is pretty squared. And then the W over here is angled. So really, I don't think you would get them mixed up. Yeah, so let me go close here for you guys. Everything looks super clear because there's no colors and nothing to worry about, like having a dark color on the bottom and what color did they put the symbol, that kind of stuff. It is poured glue. The glue looks nice and glossy. Show you that there. Very sticky. Yeah. It does look like there's a dot of something in there, in the glue. Something landed in the glue. I'll just take that off later when I start it. I do want to start this one soon. I am working on a Halloween image. It's obviously not going to be done for Halloween. Today's the 30th. But yeah, I will be working on this and I will share it weekly to give you guys an update on how it's going. And so you can see when it's done. I kind of think there's a face in here. I'm not sure, but we will see. Oh, drills. Anybody want to see the drills? It is labeled MY04. I don't see that on the canvas though, so I'll definitely store them together. Because it's poured glue like this, it doesn't need to be flattened, so if you weren't going to work on it, you could roll it back up. So nicely packaged, I just feel bad messing it up, but here we go. All right, so they each have the color number. So this is number 30, the DMC code 3861, and the weight 4.27. So we have some beige. The drills look really good. Some brown. Really nice fall colors. And this was sent to me for free to review, just so you guys know, from Julie at Cateared. But it was sent through Amazon, so it's not like they picked the one to send to me. It's random. I got a random mystery diamond painting. Pretty. Some 939. Rust colors, burgundy, 823 and navy blue. More brown, pretty orange. The drills are nice and sparkly in the bags too, so quality looks really great. There's some 310. Oh, nice big bag of 310. 225, 161, there's 154, and 152. Yeah, so there we go. Looks really good. Great product that they have there, so check it out. I will leave all the links below, and keep an eye out for some process videos until we find out what our mystery diamond painting is. Leave a comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks. Bye.